amazed. There's my name. Klook Dave Gino. Guys, yung...
like a celebrity van.
This is for Blackpink, K-pop stars. Wow! Shall we close this or it's automatic? Automatic, oh my gosh. Sinamahan tayo ni Kuya Driver. Guys, na-overwhelm ako sa Na-overwhelm ako sa kabaitan. Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave. Sinchao na pala. Sinchao. This is Dave, the Kuriko Traveler. At ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. So this is our second time in Vietnam. This will be a Indochina tour. So Indochina consists of Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. Actually pati Laos, tapos Myanmar. But for this trip, ang tuhog natin Cambodia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Itong entry natin. So ngayon, paano nga ba tayo makakapunta from airport to Ho Chi Minh City proper? So tayo po ay nagsastay sa District 1. Yan yung kumbaga heart of Ho Chi Minh. Heart of Ho Chi Minh, touristy area. So doon tayo nag-stay. So papunta doon, tayo ay mag-airport transfer. So binook natin yung airport transfer natin via Klook. So i-comment ko yung link sa baba. And then you can use my promo code Dave Gino Klook para maka-discount kayo, nagpipicture sila, maka-discount kayo sa hotels and activities, airport transfer at kung ano-ano pa. Okay, so I'm with my high school friends. And actually aside from airport transfer na mabubok nyo, actually may bus din daw. Ni-research ko sa Google, may bus, may taxi, pero kami we prefer the airport transfer na lang kasi we're more than 5 and may maleta din para at least sa isang ano na lang, sa isang car na lang kami. Let's go! Alright! So ito, dito na tayo, hanapin natin yung 11 GF. Nandun yung airport transfer natin papunta sa District 1 Ho Chi Minh. Oh! Pero mas malinis naman to sa NAIA. Alam nyo guys, I think we should really improve our airport because that's the gateway. Yan ang unang bungad. Amazed, there's my name. Klook Dave Gino. I feel so special. So this is our airport transfer. Ang galing kuya. May papangalan ng ano dito. Dito ko pangalan. So mabilis nating mahanap yung ating airport transfer. Tapos may instruction sila. Magte-text naman sa WhatsApp. I mean magme-message. So it's 11GF. Dito natin makita. And then in 7 minutes, pagpunta natin dito in 7 minutes padarating yung ating airport transfer. For 7 people. I think malaki yun. May mga maleta din eh. Kesa naman maghiwalay kami kung mag-taxi lang kami. So, very convenient mag-airport transfer guys. At least di na kayo maghahanap ng taxi or I think pwede namang mag-grab. Pero mas panatag ako sa airport transfer. Finally guys, andyan ng ating sasakyan. Hindi pala ito. So, gusto ko mabait si Kuya. Pinicturean din niya kami. Come on. Thank you. Guys,
it's like a celebrity van.
It's like a celebrity.
But we're not celebrity.
This is for Blackpink, K-pop stars. Wow! Ang ganda ng... Uy, your bags. The bags will be here? Ah, hey, the bags. Wow. Sinchao. Thank you, thank you. Come on.
You're the best.
Klook is the best. Book nyo na to sa Klook. Tingnan nyo naman. Guys, itong airport transfer namin pang artista. This is the artista van. Gusto mo na pa picture Gappy Jobs? Ikaw, Ching. Normal days sa artista van. Ganda. Tara. Di ko ito kakat. Tara. Hello. Ganito pala feeling maging Blackpink. Hey. Hello. I love it. It's so huge. This is like a celebrity van for K-pop stars. I love it. Thank you. Are you going with us? Come on, bye-bye! You're so good. Wait, let's close this. I'm so sorry. Is this, shall we close this or it's automatic? Automatic, oh my gosh. We don't have this in the Philippines. Our name. We're 7.
My name, yeah.
Okay, I'll write. Yes, correct. So, kailangan natin isulat pangalan natin. Ang ganda, automatic guys. Ang ganda. Kasi Hanoi, yan ang airport transfer. Tak sila. Wow.
Barato Vietnam.
Oo. 800. Baratot Vietnam. I mean, mura yung Vietnam. Mura. That's why I love Vietnam. 1-2 lang to. Ay, yung hotel din namin, mura. Iko-comment ko sa baba yung link. Okay. Low-key. Agoda link naman yun. Eto, Klook. Bahala kayo. Pwede rin kayo mag-book ng hotel sa Klook. Pero yung hotel natin, 2,000. Tapos, 4 nights tayo, right? Tig 2,000 kami. Tig 2,000. Tama ba? Tag 2,000 tayo, right? 2,000, tapos 4 nights. And this one, 7 kami. But I think this is good for 15? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 15. This is good for 15. May bakante pa sana. Sana masarap ako mo po eh. Tinabi ko dapat si Kuya. Kasi ang ganda ng view.
So, mas barato yung
Yeah. First impression ni Chin, maraming parks. Oh, yung Ho Chi Minh. Ako naman, impression ko, mukha siyang Pilipinas na mas maliwalas, mas maluwag. Wala gaanong basura. Wala tao basura masyadong nakita. Malinis. Ayun. At ang babait ng tao. Yun ang aking first impression. Ang ganda ng airport. Pati naman sa Pilipinas, mababait. Pero pagdating mo sa airport, di ka sure kung may patong na. Charing. Or kung masascam ka na. Pero ayun, Filipino sa mga in general ay mababait. So we've arrived. O diba? Automatic. Solid. Grabe. Lakas maka-artista. Nakaka-VIP talaga to. Hindi ka pagbubuksan kasi automatic. There, we'll go inside. Oh. So this is it. Our hotel at almost 2 a.m. Hala, gusto ko yung sinamahan tayo ni Kuya Driver. Dito. Hanapin yung hotel. I hear. Yeah. Thank you. Guys, na-overwhelm ako sa Na-overwhelm ako sa kabaitan nung driver. Going extra mile, yung service talaga. I hear. Dito na tayo sa hotel natin. Yan. So, magche-check-in tayo at almost 2 p.m. O 2 a.m. I love it. It's alive. So yun guys, yung ating airport transfer experience, the best. Alright? Over 5, 10 over 5 siya for me. Ibang level yung service, yung comfort ng car. So kung kayo guys ay magta-travel tapos may mga bagahe kayo and you're with a group, i-push nyo na guys yung airport transfer. The convenience. Sinatid pa tayo ni Kuya Driver dito sa hotel natin. Like, ibang level. So this is Dave guys, the Kuripo Traveler, and let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!